Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora. Now, I'm talking about traditional vaginal steam for health and fertility. In this video, we are going to cover what is vaginal steam, how is it done, what do you use to do it, and what are the benefits of this steam. Yes. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Please subscribe, share this video. Many other women out there need it. I'm recording it as a video because I've been asked more and more times about it, and I've been sharing it on my WhatsApp groups, but I think it's time I put it in a video. So let's get into the video. Now, vaginal steam is steaming the vagina. This means steaming the V. Ladies, what are the benefits of this steam? Number one, it brings heat to the womb. Number two, the use of specific healing herbs adds layers of healing different fertility related health issues you may have that you may know or you don't know. Different herbs have different healing actions. Typically, more than one herb is chosen and formulated in a blend specific to each woman's different fertility needs. The combination of these herbs works to nourish, tone, heal, bring in fresh oxygenated blood, and promote healing and promote cleansing, and also make supple the vaginal and uterine tissues. The moist heat opens the pores of the tissues that it comes in contact with. Now, the water vapor carries the medicinal properties of the herbs chosen, of the plants, of course including the volatile oils. This is absorbed in the tissues and it enters the bloodstream, having a direct healing effect on the reproductive system. The vaginal tissue is one of the most absorbent of the entire female body. Now, I want you to note this. Do not use any essential oils in your vaginal steam bath because they may end up burning the delicate tissues of your genitals. Remember, the combination of some of these herbs has specific healing intentions. We combine them depending on someone's specific request, specific need. There are some that are for general purpose, that go generally, but it also helps to know the exact specific need of the person, of the woman, before you use or you combine, you make a combo of the V-steam herbs. The purpose of the V-steam is to aid as an internal cleanser of the membranes of the vaginal tissues and the uterus. This is considered specifically important for the stagnant fertility conditions and or incomplete emptying of the menstruation period after each cycle. Every cycle, some blood remains inside, some remains inside. Like you don't complete it. It doesn't all get out well. That is why I always advise that this V-steam is done at the end of a menstruation period. V-steam also helps you to get a good smell down there, to eliminate that bad odor, to just freshen your V. The women who would benefit from this V steam are women with these conditions down here. Number 1, uterine fibroids, painful menstruation, uterine prolapse, uterine weakness, irregular menstruation cycles, very painful cramps. Signs of this are PMS, cramps during your period, brown or very dark blood, or even purple blood during menstruation, endometriosis, PCOS, absence of menstruation, longer cycles that are longer than normal, or bleeding less than 4 days per cycle. There are people who bleed 1 day, 2 days. Those are some of the examples. Reproductive adhesions or scar tissues, previous vaginal tear or episiotomy, ovarian cysts, endometriosis, and dark brown or purple blood during menstruation. And this happens at the onset or at the end of your menses. There are also some cases where a woman is not supposed to do the V-steam. There are some cases where a woman is not supposed to do V-steam, and these are the ones. Extremely heavy menstruation cycles, don't do the V-steam. Do not do the V-steam during your period. When you are still having a period, your menstruation period, don't do the V-steam. Number 3, if you have a vaginal infection, open wounds, blisters, or sores, don't do the V-steam. And number 4, do not do the V-steam if you are pregnant or you think you might be pregnant. Don't do the V-steam. Number 5, if you have a coil, do not do the V-steam. IUD people, do not do the V-steam. Also, number 6, and very important, if you have vaginal piercings with rings, first take them out. Because if you don't, the heat is going to cause those rings to heat up and burn you seriously. Remember, to order these herbs, just go to noraarake.com/shop, or leave me a comment in the comment section, or send me an email. Those who know my number, you can just send me a direct message or even call me. So now, what are the traditional herbs that are used in the V-steam? What are they?